Hello everyone. Today we'll do a quick review of this Sujata Powermatic Plus juicer mixer grinder. I'm sure some of you are familiar with the brand Sujata, as you may have spotted it at the juice and milkshake outlets. Many of them even swear by this brand. They keep buying the same unit over and over again. So let's go ahead and unbox this unit. So this one is the Powermatic Plus juicer mixer grinder with a 900 watt motor. Okay, so it comes with this main juicer mixer unit with a top. So this is your juicer unit that houses the motor, and this is your pulp container. This is the unit wherein your juice flows through this outlet here, and this gets attached here like this. This stainless steel cutter cum spinner, which is used for the juicer operation, it fits right here like this. And you have a plastic plunger which is here, along with a cleaning brush and a spare driving gear, which Sujata claims you can service it at home itself. The driving gear is easy to replace at home. You also have two jars. One is the large jar here, comes with a lid, and this is not a lockable lid like those earlier jars which used to come with those three locks here. And this material, it's more like rubber, it's flexible like you can see here, and you can even remove this for cleaning. And you also have a smaller jar which comes with these blades. This one's used for dry grinding, and in fact they also have some sticker here which says this is used for dry grinding. Similar flexible cover here. You have the instruction booklet and the warranty card, which is very detailed, and they have listed down all the parts here with the various instructions for grinding, blending, juicing, etc. And as far as build quality of the unit goes, this is quite a heavy unit. Houses a 900 watt motor, which is not really typical for a household mixer grinder, but still ample vents for heat dissipation at the bottom, and four really nice rubber base, so the unit doesn't keep vibrating and moving around the location. And it is assembled in India at the New Delhi plant where Sujata's appliances are assembled. You have four rubber bases here as well to firmly hold the jar in place. So this is your driving gear, which Sujata says you can change this at home in case it gets damaged. The plastic does not feel built to a cost. It is quite nicely done. Easy to clean, no hard to reach crevices, very easy to clean and get rid of the pulp once it gets filled. And this transparent cover also looks quite nice with the Sujata engraving done here. So yeah, these are the locks which I'll show you while we do a demo of the juicing operation. Quite nicely made, I must say. You have the 3-pin electric cord, not the larger 16 ampere plug. This is a normal 6 ampere plug. Now, what we'll do is we'll do two operations to demonstrate the working of this unit. Let us make some sweet lime juice. We have some nice Mosambis or sweet lime with us, so we'll make some sweet lime juice. And two, we'll also blend some raw rice, cooked rice, grated coconut, some sugar, salt, baker's yeast and water. Right, we have here. Guess what we are making? We are going to make dough for appam. So let's first do the juicing operation. We'll assemble the unit. Let's keep these jars aside. Now here's where the two locks you can see here. These two areas are where your locks are going to fit. You can either have it assembled right here or right here. It doesn't matter. So insert this here, and that's it. It's locked. Now let's just turn this on without adding any contents.
Low speed, medium speed, high speed.
So what you have here is a rotary switch that can go all the 4 directions, and you also have this whip, push to turn on kind. So we have the fresh line here. Turn the unit on. So you have the juice collected right here, and you have all the pulp which has been collected in this container. Alright guys, for our next operation, blending the dough, we're going to use a large jar here. You have these 2 slots. Insert it. Pour the contents. Okay, so that's done. What we'll do is, the lid is firmly held. Turn the unit on.
Noise is acceptable and it is not overly noisy. The unit is barely warm to touch.
Now there's a good reason why they have given this top right here. You can always open it and check for consistency. So you just I can see that it is already ground quite nicely. Let's give it a couple of whips. That is it guys. Let us try pouring it back into this container and see how well it is ground. So quite good consistency, nothing left over inside, as you can see, no solid particles. It's all quite nicely ground as expected from a 900 watt unit. They also have this smaller unit for doing the dry grinding, etc. But I really wish they had given one jar which is of medium size, because this one is small, this is large, and you sort of miss a medium sized container for blending. So all in all, this comes highly recommended, and like I said, the unit does not get heated up and is only mildly warm to touch after the small operation. Like I said, if it had a bigger load to grind, this would probably get more warmer to touch. Noise is within the acceptable limits as is expected from a mixer grinder. So that will be all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one.